Every project has a project info section. In project info, you can keep project notes, your project timer and ruler, and video links. You can view project info when knitting. Tap at the top right to show the bottom panel, and tap the project info button. With a basic project, you can add notes by tapping in the note area and typing. You can also tap the project info button again to toggle to your project timer and the ruler. If you have a subscription, you can add video links that are in your PDF. To do this, tap the PDF button upper right. Go to the page with a link. Mine is at the end. When you tap a link here in the PDF viewer, KnitCompanion detects if it's a video link, and if it is, it will prompt you to name the video and then automatically add it to your project info. If you don't have a subscription or your link isn't for a video, you'll instead be taken to that page in your browser. Let's close the PDF viewer by tapping the X upper left. Here at the bottom, we can tap Project Info to see our new video. To watch it, tap Play. From here, you can choose to let it play in that bottom window, or if your device supports it, you can switch to picture-in-picture. Now you can move your video around and watch it while you work the pattern. I'll close it down for now. You can always toggle through the available project info by tapping the Project Info button. In Edit, you can customize your project timer and add video links that aren't part of your PDF. To get started, tap Edit. Tap the Project Info button on the right. At the bottom, you will see a button for Notes, the timer, and Videos. Tap the timer and you can edit the hours and minutes. Tap Video and you can add video links. The one I added from the PDF is already here. Tap the blue plus to add more manually. To continue knitting, tap Knit.